Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy, and we've got another gorgeous little Gucci bag to show you today, and this is the Gucci Marmont Super Mini bag, and it's in this gorgeous kind of dusty pink matelasse leather, and this is my favourite bit of the bag. It's so cute. It's got this kind of heart-shaped top stitching detail on the back, which is really cute, and we have got one long chain strap, and then we've also got flat closure with a press stud fasten, and this hardware actually is inspired by a 70s kind of archived Gucci design, so it's got a kind of retro feel to it, which is really cool. I'll show you inside. So in there we've got one little key strap, you can see just there, attached to the inside of the bag, and then it's just one little compartment in there as well. The condition of this bag, we have called the exterior and the interior very good. You can see, I'll show you the base of that, and those corners still all in really nice condition. Again, interior is in beautiful condition. There's not really much for me to show you. The reason we've called it very good is just because you can tell it's a pre-loved bag. It's got a nice kind of soft structure to it, so it doesn't take away the fact that it has been used, but it is in beautiful condition, and this leather feels really, really nice and soft as well. The hardware, again, we've called very good. I'll just show you. It is still all in really nice condition. It's got that cool kind of retro feel to it, and it's still got that nice gold toned colour throughout, so it is really, really beautiful, this little bag. I do really like it. I will show you the size of it. If you wanted to see any exact measurements, go to the link in the description below. That link is the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, if you love it as much as I do, don't forget you can get on our request list, which you do by just sending us over an email or filling out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love it and we'll get you on our request list for this bag. But before I show you the size on me, actually, I'll just show you what it comes with. So we've got, pop it there, little Gucci ribbon. You can see that's got Gucci along the ribbon as well. There we go. And then we've also got a Gucci box as well, so it would make a gorgeous little gift idea, this one. And then we've also, of course, got Gucci dust bag as well, and then we've got two envelopes. One of these contains the original receipt and kind of the returns form for this bag as well. So that's like that. There we go. And then we've got one smaller little Gucci envelope, and in there we have got Gucci compliments card as well. And then there's just another few little bits. So we've got Gucci, sorry about that, Gucci control card, and then we have also got a little Gucci care card as well, so that's got all the details to care for that leather in there. I'll come back and show you the size on me, so if it's any help, I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", so with that long chain strap, it fits really nicely as a crossbody. This is kind of the perfect length for me as a crossbody, so it's really comfortable. And this size as well, even though it's a super mini bag, I have an iPhone 12 and it does fit my phone into it, so it's definitely big enough to get your day-to-day essentials in there. But yeah, that is what it looks like on me. For more details on the bag, go to the link in the description below. Have a browse on our website while you're there. Also, while you're on our website, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, so you can keep yourself updated. And if you sign up to our newsletter, we will send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. And if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, you'll also find the How to Sell with Us page on our website, and that has all the details you need to know about selling with us. And that's all I have for you, so I'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.